Students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BS B.Ed 4th semester. We will discuss the topic environmental education for quality enhancement of sustainable development. Okay, environment education man as a part of parcel of the environment has to recognize the role and importance of environment in order to protect it and to get protection from it. For this he needs environment education. Okay, define as according to IUCN 1971, the process of recognizing values and clarifying concepts in order to develop skills and attitudes necessary to understand and appropriate the relatedness among men, his culture, and his biophysical surroundings. Environment education also entails practice in decision making and self formulation of a code of behavior about issue concerning environment quality. Environment education का मतलब environment से related जितने भी फंक्शन होते हैं उन सारे सारे फंक्शन से ह्यूमन को कोरिलेट करना होता है. Goals of environment education: to improve the quality of environment. Second, to create an awareness among the people on environmental problems and conservation. Next goal, to create an atmosphere so that people participate in decision making and develop to capabilities to evaluate the development programs. Objectives of environment education: main objectives of environment education: awareness, knowledge, attitudes, skills, evolution, ability, and participations. Scope of environment education: environment education is scope in some heads: awareness, real life situations, conservation, sustainable development, etc. Major environment issue: some major environment issues as follows: climate changes, environmental degradation, intensive farming, land degradation, etc. Environment awareness for essence is essential for protection the एटमॉस्फेयर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, लैंड रिसोर्सेज को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, कंजर्वेशन ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी को संरक्षित करने के लिए, इन्वायरमेंटली साउंड मैनेजमेंट of biotechnology and hazard waste, and improvement in living and working conditions of the poor by eradicating poverty and stopping environmental degradations. Okay, sustainable development defined as sustainable development is a development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Okay, next, the understanding principles of sustainable development. First, symbiotic relationship between consumerist humans, race and producers, natural systems. Second, principles environment mistakes of the past need not be repeated. Third, healthy environment is essential for sustainable development and healthy economy. Next, it should stand for broader goals of social transformation. Okay, in disciplinary approaches of environment education, environment education correlate with life science, vocational studies, physical sciences, mathematics, humanities, correlate with earth sciences, correlate with social studies, and correlate with communication and art. And role of teacher in environment education, to around the children's interest to the environment and to rise challenging problems. Second, to discuss the approach to problem or tips, topics, to arrange visits, to provide materials needs for practical works, and to arrange for visiting speakers are some points for role of teachers in environment education. Thank you.